Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can change the order of the layers in a Photoshop Elements file. When creating multiple layers in a Photoshop Elements document when no layer is selected, the newest layers are stacked on top of the older layers by default. When a layer is stacked on top of another layer in Photoshop Elements, the content of the layer on top supersedes the content of the layers below. To change the order of a layer in the stack of layers in the Layers panel in Photoshop Elements, click and drag the layer to move up or down in the Layers panel, and then release it into the desired location. It is best to click and drag the layer by its layer name or by clicking and dragging the blank area to the right of the layer name to move it. Avoid clicking the layer thumbnail or the layer icons. The bottommost layers appear at the bottom of the Layers panel, increasing in order through the stack up to the topmost layer.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.